Good morning, my dear students. Today is Friday. Hanadi, this is the last class of the week, but today it will be the second last because we have already circulated the routine for Saturday. Saturday routine is P. When a Fangamania Kalina Wakanda, Duduna, Hayangsu, as usual, Larik Tamnaba, have the class Shauna Bugin Tareti Torolega Unica. At the Garang Aina Hakibada on the coming weeks and the Kilakadori Bahapta Sidadi, you will have one weekly test of 10 marks Maktaraki, weekly test of Malayani. Adu it may be notify you later Kaina Metato Gahabuti, Aina Koida Matang Hapta, the way in a hierarchy, and Danaka. Other than that, Sana ready to get delay. You got them come. I don't know. So, I'm not look at the exam not day, exam to look at the exam not day. I don't know. Life of put it over the car. You are in class 10. You must very much aware of this car. And number one, the Decana, Nangazi class 10. Class 10, I'm saying it due to prevailing situation car. When a board exam Tabaki and the Sandok tongue like the way I do the na and the Togiba the minor. Aina hanjana Palisika, Nakoida Nuaitaba, Kaki talk to Nabagita Montanica, and the exam I took for the Satra Yam the Kappa, the Gimato. I didn't the Bayam Triagica, do wishing the Nakoida to talk to Nabagita Montani, school Gitoriba, examining the Yima count of the Haiko and Aran Superlica. Other than that, school Gitoriba, examining say important way now. I will the school just the Pekastagi in a market, Pango, Abby Wakal on the color like Paga, the Venica. Mark Yam Day, Mark Tara Katagini, Mark Manga Katagini, hide the light of Potoganuka, senior element on the Yamadi. And Kotana Adananga, Narangi Makata Tajanga. Yesterday we have finished question number 1 of exercise 8.2 Haureka. Tilodamanatra Adananga Tauhibatuda Aina question Ahum, the question Mangani Yaurido, Mangadi Manunda, Ani Taure, the Lemhoriba Ahum the Gimanda Nakoita Ani Nepa Makalaga Toro Habani. And then, I am having Satra Manga Tarabudi and the Ure because Makoina Egonda was up to the gain of Pangeka. I just saved the hungry. The hold of Miami Yauri. Miami Yauri do Karigino Hang Dega. Nakoi was up the Taba, the Larigi and the Vera, Karigino Haitabagira have the Ikangamdre. Anga Amakatana, Namanabi Namanam Katana, Maming the Palaroge. Question number 1, Giroma number 3 is Haiti and a high. Mahaki the Muktakalaga, Ramana Matris Matorega, Ahibudi Mayam Yaure, Aina Kangeka, was Homak Toboda, Ramana Matris Holapangang Sudum Yawe, and the book as a keep a labor, Angaiba Angang, to give them the Kalaga Kedore, Ramana Matris Mata with a game, the question number 2 Satazika. Yareka. Adonea, question number 1, Roma number 3 dot. Look at that, Yanaroyanga. 8.2 question number 1 Roma number 3 any cos of 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec of 30 degree. Now what's that? We have to put the values of trigonometric ratios natra. Trigonometric ratios in the values absolutely lagada bani. Cos 45 se kaya na ba 1 by root 2. And darba sec 30 de kaya no 2 by root 3 natra. Injeng maning sana tabre sec 30 kaya na ba 2 by root 3. Then plus cosec 30 it will be 2. And I got that. Now you simplify this. And Tabata simplify Torah, then get the Ranisa, Mataki dum legendary, Mati Matunda later banana, Makagi Stiango, LCM Lotoro, you get root over 3, then Calibre 2 plus 2 root over 3. Then after that, fraction ni divide to banatro the fraction in divide to se angang kitang soi ba yawi ka ngara aina su dum hai grabani adu bu yengo sida amunga na clear oi hauna ba sike da hai no sa 1 by root over 2 sida kana na divide to hai na 2 plus 2 root over 3 divided by root 3 sina divide to hai bane ba then dai ka ande yengo divide se koina fraction da kari wali hai ge into the wall hydra the into the wall tali kai la kadang yang that will change its reciprocal nadra pi machine to reciprocal the one for ani yan dai ka adune nga sitang makha kumdar gi ka reflection sar la ang dong male 1 by root 2 into the one for ani kai le re root over 3 all divided by 2 plus 2 root over 3 yan dar masa Inka, this day get again. Captain Nabayadre, Yadravina Kedaroni, we need to multiply these two. See Purino happening, another canal, Robert Freedom the journey, Makadi canal, say 2 common long to the canal more, 2 root over 2 the canal only 1 plus my luck at winning. In the car, the say you rationalize it, rationalize the command to high. Sabman masingo na matag sumakazi puri sanji ba do 1 plus root over 3 se kana ni 1 minus root over 3 anta kana ni 1 minus root over 3 matag ti jum thambiro akada di kana la aga tagi anga si root 2 amang lapsala asika samna na bi damakta and this root 3 root 2 position this will be root 6 so the canal 2 ga 2 ga it will be 2 therefore 2 into 2 so the canal 1 minus root over 3 whole square so root over 6 1 minus root over 3 the canal 4 whole bracket 1 minus 3. So your answer will be how much? Root over 6 minus, root over 6 whole bracket 1 minus root over 3. This will be 2, therefore it will be minus 8. Sina tragana kamina root over 6 whole bracket root over 3 minus 1. That will be, this will be your answer. And our set. So the minus this animal to divide of Pokibanika. The minus this divide over the plus minus 1 running, therefore it becomes minus 1. The minus plus 1 in a tra, therefore it becomes plus root over 3. And like I said, okay, not it down. Sima Sinjala. Yeah, like I said, okay, then see clear with any car. Hayadra. Next thing on, now you read the question number 2. Question number 2 is of multiple choice ne. Sumaba the multiple choice weta gadi nga makha option kar pira mani ka option yamu da sumbam khan ga daba. Ana question number mari pa mari simunda yani tawgi nga duga ani duna be given as homework ka homework bi do ni. And question number 2 Romana 1 singa torsinga twice 1030 1 plus 10 square 30. Yung ayan na koy na sige ka class tang wang matam dadi formula ay trigonometry function ga naman lakani ka class 11 kara kan ka adak formula direct pala ga di am live bani adu bahut na koy standard study adu gi trigonometry function da yaw da bani na adu ji tammi ba se hot sige ka none has ke dane ga 1030 की value sin chalo 1030 से kana na 1 by root 3 natra. So we can alani 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. Guide the line about 1030 is. So simplify the row 2 by root 3 we can alani 1 plus 1 by 3. Therefore 2 by root 3 3 plus 1 by 3. Therefore it will be 2 by root 3 divided by 3 by 4. Simple like that. And then you get the the hot keep the minor divide it into the one thorough. Divide it into the one thorough. The minor 2 by root over 3 into 4 by 3. Then I got. Sorry, sir. 4 by 3. I'm not a cost. Enter what's that? And 2 get cancel. So this is the 2 to another. And then 3 by 2 over 3. We multiply both by root 3 not multiply thoroughly. And I'll have it. Sikari never multiply both numerator and denominator by root over 3 na. And then 3 root over 2 3 pangani ka kakre. Then what is remaining? Root 3 by 2. Ado siya nga makha pi ko option dati root 3 over by 2 is p de ka kai da p so to ratios the p bani andre kan ba sana ki nga option 1 da kana le re sin 60 le re ka option 2 da na cos 60 third da na tan 60 sin 30 and which one is correct from so method there. So answer is A. That is sin 60. Sin 60 root over 3 by 2 natra. Tunika. Okay, note it down. Bindia yarikos ka. Okay, next lemhori pa hum digi manungda karamba tausike. Roman number 3 ta tausianga. Roman number 2 the value sindala ka tum whole of ka what 3 by the minus ka. Roman number 3 na is kaina sin twice a equal to 2 into sin a is true when n is a is equal to have ni ka. Is na kaya ka mana ragati hangmani ka. Aduna sidhe no sidhe ke daw hai you put those value ka 0 degree ke half se lagamu yenga 30 degree ke half se lagamu yenga 45 ka half se lagamu yenga 60 ke yenga ka adu ka da like phangte ni ka aduna nga first one da if a is na 0 degree voiding kalasi sin 11 sin तक ना लगी होगा twice a. This will be sin of 2 into 0 degree लाने ना था. इसी का नाम होंगे sin of 0. Sin of 0 दिख रहा है ना that is 0. Then तार बस क्या? Line number 2 देंगे 11 right hand side का 2 of sine A. This will be 2 into sine of 0. So the kanano 2 into 0, that is 0. So may araba A ga then atopa mo nga atopa sana pa yaw ba yang sika number 2 the kanano piri do sine of 30 degree. If A is 30 degree 11 side the answer bu dama katang lai don mi ko adana si chana dra si wa bisu dum yaramni so let's check other numbers ka to pusu sine check ta use nga sine of twice into 30 degree that 60 sine of 60 degree kya no root over 3 by 2 right side to the 2 into sine of 30 degree. This is 2 into sine 30 degree and 1 by 2 natra. And 2 to get cancelled, therefore it will be 1. Then again, sine 45. If A is 45 degree, we can any 11 side 2 into 45, that will be sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. Right hand side of the 2 sine 45. Sine 45 is how much? 1 by root over 2. It will be 2 root over 2 later. Last the sine of 60 degree. If A is equal to 60 degree, 11 side to lay the sine of 2 into 60 degree, that will be sine 120. 120 se koina value ta hojik tami possibility yaw deka adu ko ni si thadora ga dikana phange matamda sine 190 minus 60. This will be of sine 60 lakani ka. So sine 60 lagi channel se root over 3 by 2. Right side tak kanano lagi daw 2 of sine 60. Therefore 2 into root over 3 by 2. So 2 to get cancelled. So what is remaining? Root 3. Ito diya no? Manali se karamba no? It is only the case of 1 natra. And then your answer is A, that is kind of 0 degree. And that was that. Anika, can note it down. Sing a sinjala. Yareko siba. Memory ba aniduma homework toro. And Anika. And the question ani memory. Memory question ani se. English and zika. Yareko siba. Okay, then let me rub this. Talagay ka. Ano di kayo leore ng sige homework ta? Homework for today is question number 2 natra 2 gate Roman number 2 ne Roman number 4 ne yare ka ang address ma singme sinjalo yara me no yare ka to de pe fare no asigi distalo shalase ayeng question ani do holaga ayeng iski exercise mal warani ka aduga makha tara kudar ba complementary angle duma syllabus ta yaudre yandaraba aduga trigonometry identities ta kharaga yauri ka aduga chapter simulation ga doini yantane ka de ne fare nga yasi di solo se aina haga da bamna ka लाखदोरिबा वीकली ता वीक ता टेस्ट तौबसे सीरियस होइना लाइक खरा पानसिको यारबा इसे हंगनिका यारेका okay bye see you all in the next class